So you may have heard about the new One Spot Pro models from Truetone. Got the CS11, the XP5, and the XP8. I'm going to get into the CS11 first today and talk about that. CS11 has 11 outputs on it, all isolated, of course. It's a One Spot Pro after all. And it also has an extra output on the back that we'll get into in just a minute. But just so you know, all these pedals here that you see are being run from a single One Spot Pro CS11. It's pretty amazing. Let's get into it. So some of you may be wondering, the CS11 and the CS12 sounds almost the same. The box is the same size. Why is Truetone doing that? Well, over the years, we've gotten a lot of feedback from you CS12 users, and some of you never used the 9-volt AC output, or maybe you didn't really need the 18-volt outputs, or the variable voltage output. Some of you do, some of you don't. Some of you just want more 9-volt outputs. Well, the CS11 gives you that option. You do have switchable 9/18-volt outputs, you have switchable 9/12-volt outputs, but all of them are available for 9 volts DC if you need that. Also, some of you have wanted us to do an expandable power supply. Well, the CS11 has that now. There's an extra output on the back, one more on the back, which is a 12-volt DC output that can power our new expansion boxes like the XP5 or XP8, which we'll get into a little bit later. But that's where these fit into the lineup. The CS12 is still going to be around for those of you who need those options. CS11 covers some more bases for you. And then also we've got the, as I mentioned, the XP5 and XP8, 5 outputs or 8 outputs respectively. These can be powered directly from that back output on the CS11 or from an external power supply, which are included with the XP5-PS or XP8-PS. You can also get the XP5 just by itself, which is meant to be strictly powered off of the CS11. And that's really how we have it set up right here. We've got the CS11 hooked up under this pedal train Pro right here with the included pedal train brackets that come with it, just like on the CS12 or CS7. And then under here, this is actually the pedal board, by the way, of our customer service tech support director, Dana Weaver. He puts it in here with 2 XP5s. He uses an external adapter. Right now, we've got this all running right off of that CS11, which is providing the power to these expansion boxes. And you'll be able to get the XP5 just by itself without an external adapter if you want it that way, or with it. In this case, we're running 2 of them. Power's coming in here, being pulled over to here as well, distributing the power for all these pedals in a really cool and efficient way. That's how those fit in. So that's the overview of the new One Spot Pro models and where they fit into the existing One Spot Pro line. Just like you're used to with all the other One Spot Pros, these all have studio-grade, quiet operation. They've got tremendous power handling capabilities, as you saw here. And as always, they are designed to fit your budget. They're all very high value for your money. So thanks for watching, and be sure to check out the other new videos showcasing each of our new One Spot Pro models.